Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about polar coordinates. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to transform this function into this one. Because we transform this white, that means we need to change the bounds in here. About dr, that is about the radius of the circle. That's why we have letter R in here. So we see that they start from 0 to R. So we need to find the value of radius in here. So if we want to find R, we can use about the triangle in here. So I will highlight about the green color. So we see that this is about the right triangle, and we know we have number 3 and number 3 in here. To find about R, we can use about Pythagorean theorem. So we will have about 3 square plus 3 square equals to R square. So we calculate this one, we have 18. And now we put the square root for the both sides, and we have R equals to number 3 with the square root of number 2. So C in here, that should be about number 0. R, that's about D. So that should be about number 3 with the square root of number 2. And now we have A and B. So we know that we start from here, go in here. So this one we have number 0. This one we have B over 2. We know that if we look carefully, because this one we have 3, number 3. So the angle in here should be about B over 4. That means the angle of this one we have B over 2. So B over 2 minus B over 4. So this one should be about B over 4. Now we have B over 2. That's it about this line in here. So B over 2 plus B over 4. So this one should be about 3B over 4. And now from this line, that's about B. Now we need to add about B over 4 in here. So they will go to this way, go in here. So B plus B over 4, we have 5B over 4. So about 8, that should be about 3B over 4. About B, that is about 5B over 4. Because we just apply about trigonometric circle. So they will go from here to here. That's why we need to follow on the order of the circle in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.